you okay? Bad dream?
You were kidnapped in my dream.
God forbid.
Yes. You were kidnapped and I was shouting for help. Nobody answered me. But
look at me, look at me, look at me, look at me. Nothing will happen to me. Okay?
Are you sure?
I am sure. Nothing will happen to me. I am safe.
My big brother.
Biggie.
Excuse me. Yeah, hello? Big bro. Good morning. Are you serious? Wow. That's good. Okay, I'll be at the airport by 6 a.m. in the morning. I'll be waiting for you, yeah? Okay. Safe flights, okay? Alright, bro. One love, huh? Yeah.
What's up?
My big brother is coming back tomorrow by 7 a.m. So, he should be at the airport by 6 a.m.
Finally.
Yes, baby.
I am going to meet this brother of yours because you've thought so much about him.
Yeah, of course. You'll say him. I promise you. He's my only brother. I love him so much.
I know you do. Let's go back to sleep.
Baby, I love you so much.
I love you too. And I'm safe. Nobody's kidnapping me.
Sure?
Mm-hmm.
You just go enter police station. Allez comme ça. Allez comme ça. Welcome, sir.
Wow.
Welcome, sir.
Have fun. How are you?
Hi, sir.
Hey, brother, you're welcome. Thank you. Feels good to be home again.
Oh, yes. I really missed you.
Oh,
You're welcome.
oh yeah.
Now, because I know they for my complete uniform, I make you not tell me you look good. Wait, make I wear my complete uniform. Now you go no side look good. Hey.
Thank you very much.
Hey, that's some bread.
You are looking 15 years younger than your age.
It's your handwork, oh.
Ah, Bruno, my son. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. You're welcome. Thank you, sir.
Zimarko.
Agu.
Welcome.
You're welcome.
Thank you,
Papa, what is
Brought
going
your
on
brother
here?
home.
Yes.
It's your handiwork.
Both of you are looking like 15 years younger.
Do we have a choice? Don't we have sons like you?
Oh, you can say that again.
I got them.
Yes,
You're welcome.
Hey,
You're welcome.
now, you brought your brother home. Inokwa.
Yes,
My only brother.
Is
your
I know.
Hey, let's go inside now so that we have one or two.
Hey.
Is it for my side? Where is she?
Oh, she went to market.
No, we can handle this.
Okay.
Why yo?
No problem.
Now,
Mama.
now that you're back, I think you have to get your wife for yourself and settle down.
Mama, I just arrived. I'm quite now.
There's nothing that is just arrived. I need grandchildren.
Bruno, your mother is right. You need to find a woman and settle down. Time waits for no one.
Papa, thank God you said find. It's not like I have to buy. I need time to find a woman. So please, exercise patience, okay?
Big bro, Papa here is right. Look at you. You're getting older every day. One day there's no time. I'm actually waiting for you to get a wife before I can get mine. To avoid Zimako disrespected me. This one. I always want to be loyal to my senior brother. Please.
No problem. I will get married. Shebi, I'm back. Trust me. Because of this now, I will look for a woman and marry.
I can even help you get a good woman.
Don't help me. Find her. Don't find for me. You will not live with her. I will find for myself, choose for myself, and settle down. Because
Whatever. Just find a woman, get married to her and settle down.
Good. Now you come.
Whatever you want to do, do it.
Papa, thanks for the one bottle. Let me look around. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're so good.
Thank you.
Good to see you.
Thank you, brother. Welcome.
Wow, small girl, how are you?
Stop that, oh. Stop calling me that. I am grown up now.
If I slap your face down, look at you. Maggie Venga, Maggie. The great forman efficiency na panty ambosa. You don't see yourself as a big girl, okay?
Bro, just tell him to stop, oh. You should stop calling me that, oh. Can't you see I'm a big girl
She's not a big girl,
Yes.
please. Stop calling her small girl.
Stop it.
As a matter of fact, we are even expecting our in-laws. Happy to see you.
Thank you.
Let's see what's up outside. I'm coming back.
Thank
you.
But buy a short break for me.
No problem. Say no more. Hey, Papa. How's all the keep there? That's your tenant out there, the container guy. You will tell him to evacuate with immediate effect because I can't be leaving my car outside.
Oh, yes.
And so we can have a clean entrance before we plan on rebuilding something new.
Oh, it's
Bye bye.
I'm coming.
Oh, big girl. Big girl.
I don't even know what to call you. Yes, I'm a big girl.
Big girl. The big girl, my
Big
foot.
head. Big head. Nonsense.
If Mama, you say where?
Mama, leave him, my bed. I hope you bought some.
Where you go inside?
I did not leave.
This girl will never change.
You're
Who is that? Hey, welcome, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey, how are you? Welcome.
Hi.
I'm fine.
Baby,
My love.
welcome to my brother's house.
My
Yeah.
brother sure has a very good taste. Look at this.
What do you mean? You mean I don't have a high test too?
And who said you don't? With what I'm seeing right now, this taste of it being around in your home.
Oh, you can say that 1,000,000 times. Yeah.
Hey, normally this life don't suppose hard though. Yes, he just carry fine gear. Come use him brother house. They do propose. Welcome to my brother house. You see as life be. My own brother dey village. They don't pursue me for village. Collect land from me. I don't come city. They still dey pursue me. Make they use juju collect gate man work for me. Hey, welcome to my brother's house. Oh baby, You go enter inside now. Baby.
Yeah, here we are. This is it. Yeah. Yes.
Oh my God, this is beautiful.
You're a good boy. Oh, you know what? Wait. Oh, big bro.
Welcome.
Is it?
Well, how are you?
I'm okay.
Good to see you.
Oh, yeah.
Good to see you,
too.
Good to see you again. Go ahead, Achabo. I'm in there. Hey, good to see you.
Yeah, the love of my life. Her name is Betty.
Okay.
Yes.
Betty, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
Our wife.
You're welcome, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Make her comfortable. Get her something to drink. And see if lunch is ready.
Oh, just a minute, huh?
Okay.
Make yourself comfortable. Remember, this is your second home, okay?
Okay.
Come here.
You're beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
Are you from this village?
Yes, I am.
Let me have your number.
My own number.
Don't be a Jew girl. You shouldn't know about this.
Okay, sir.
Send me your account number later, okay?
Thank you, sir.
How can Zimako marry such a beautiful woman? No. He doesn't deserve her. I will pay him off and have her. Yes. I will pay Zimako off and take her. And that's some period. And they will. And they will.
Oh, baby.
Hey, baby.
Sugar. Oh, yeah. This is for you, baby.
Thank you.
Oh, I love that, baby. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I like.
Like it? Mm-hmm. That's my baby. Sure you okay?
I'm good.
You look bothered. Is there anything the matter?
No, I'm fine, honey. I'm okay.
Really? Okay. Oh, you've seen my big brother.
Yes.
So,
I saw him.
just me.
What do you want me to tell you?
Oh, how did you see him?
Well, I think he's handsome.
That's not what I asked you. Is he more handsome than I?
I never said so. I mean, okay, I think he's nice.
Oh! Now you're talking, baby. What is it?
It's nothing.
You sure you're okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's my baby. Alright.
Thank you.
I love you, baby.
I love you too.
Oh, that's my baby.
Oh my God. 1 million naira. Wait, like 1 M in my account. I've never seen more than 200k in my account. Like, this feels so good. Sim has never sent me more than 20k before. And now another man just sent me 1 million naira. Wait, what does this man really want? I don't care. I need to delete it before he sees it and start questioning me. I can't deal. 1 million naira. It feels good. I am a millionaire.
I must find out the content of that message you received this evening. I saw the look in her face, and I knew she was hiding something. The last message here bears yesterday's date. Could it be she deleted it?
I knew it. So he suspected me. Well, thank God I deleted it.
Who's that? Who?
Hello.
Hello? How may you help me? Sorry, how may I help you?
Is your Oga in?
Okay, me? I thought it's me. Okay, sorry. My Oga. Oh,
That's why.
sorry, sir. You have the password. Letter A. I get the letter A. Now, ugly girl. Lock the gates. Sorry, sir.
What is going on? For more than 1 week now, Betty has refused to take my calls. What is really going on? I don't have her mother's number. I would have called to know if there's any problem. I will travel to the village first thing tomorrow morning.
Why? Is anybody home? What is Zimako?
Zimako, my future-in-law. Take him, Mary. How are your parents?
They are all fine.
Yes,
I want this food.
Oh, really? Thank you very much.
Okay,
Come inside and sit down. Come inside.
Mama, I'm okay here. Just tell Betty that I'm here to see her. Yes.
Betty. Betty left here 2 weeks ago to see you in the city.
To see me?
She came to your place.
I didn't see her. I've been calling her number. She refused taking my calls. That's why I'm here to know if she's actually rejecting my call or something. I didn't see her.
Did you have an issue with her?
Issue? No, not at all.
Then where would she be? She told me she was coming to your place.
Mom, I did not see her. I did not see Betty. I didn't see Betty.
Where would she be?
That is the question here.
Anyway, let me go and get my phone and call my brother's wife.
Please.
Hello, Suzanne. It's Betty's mother. Is Betty there with you? Okay.
Is she there?
She said she is not there.
Where will she be now?
Where will she be? She told me she was coming to your place.
Let it not be that something happened to my Betty. Where will she be now? And I'm here to confirm if she's actually rejecting my call or something. How are you?
I'm fine, you're welcome.
Thank you. What Papa and Mama?
They are inside.
Okay.
Hey!
Mama. They're waiting for us to come inside.
Now.
Mama.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
No.
Baba.
Wow.
You're welcome. My daughter, how are you?
Hey! No. You're welcome. Thank you.
I wanted to come inside and...
You will. You maka oh?
What is really going on? Let it not be that something has happened to my Betty. Where will she be?
Mama, did you get your brother on the phone?
He said he did not see her.
What is all this now? What is...
Let nothing happen to my daughter because she told me she was going to the city to see you. I'm not going to feel like
Mama, I did not see her now. I've been calling her number for like 2 weeks now. She refused taking my calls and I'm here to know if she's okay or not.
And my daughter left here since 2 weeks ago to your place. She does not visit any other person in the city but you. She hardly goes to my brother's house. So what are you telling me? You see, this young man, eh? I don't trust you people at all. You people can do anything and go to any length because of money. Let it not be that you have used my daughter for money. If you ever not call him, because I will not take it easy with you. Go and look for my daughter in Zimako or whatever you call yourself. Look for my daughter wherever you kept her. I don't blame you. I blame my daughter for dating someone like you. Somebody that has nothing, emphatically nothing to offer her or the mother. Since you have started dating my daughter, anything. If you ever not column did not see her, or come back again, go and look for my daughter. Go and look for her.
Mama, is that statement for me?
Mba! The statement is for my dead parents or your parents at home. In Ajomo, is that statement for you? Zimako, go and look for my daughter. If anything happens to my daughter, you will see the stuff I'm made of. The other side of me. The other side of Rose, Igama. Because I will not take it easy with you. You know, have you ever bought anything for me since you started dating my daughter? I want to be senior no more. I brought bread in you. I'm going to make a bread factory. Go and look for my daughter. Go and look for her. But I will not take it easy with you. At all. Hey! Hey! Let nothing happen to my daughter. If Buru bread, put them. Obron begin as their intended mother-in-law moto. Maybe their business. Anytime you want to come here, we brought bread. I'm going to bread factory. Can you find boy here? Let it not be that you have done something with my daughter and I'll be able to call him. Can you before? Bread. Let me just manage it. Because my mama manage it. You're just here. Now my daughter come back. Come on, go to the bread. See something like that, even one. On you know, here, shishi, afro. On you be for man.
And announce it as a surprise. But since you people are here, she's the choosing one. My wife.
Hey! No wonder. You're happy now. Can't you say that I'm happy too?
Yes.
You are beautiful. Good. Hey! Oh! I love this. You're welcome. Oh?
Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Papa.
Let's go inside
I know you.
Thank God, oh.
Hey,
my brother has finally seen a wife he wants to marry. Hey! Oh my God.
Where have you been? I've been worried.
Mama, say welcome to your guest first.
Nah, welcome. Cake email.
I'm blessed. Thank you, Mom.
Can you now answer my question? Where have you been?
No, I'm not a child.
Who is he?
Okay. Mama, his name is Bruno. Sugar. Meet my dear mom.
My mother-in-law to me by the grace of God.
Hey! My future Ogabuchi. Ubu akiji okwu bia nnem. Nna, ka ibanye n'ụlọ.
Thank you. Okay.
Hey! Ogabuchi in the ready.
Your brother was here 4 days ago. And he came back with a very beautiful young lady.
Yes, sir.
You don't mean it!
I mean it, though.
Though he has not told me about it, but I'm happy.
Of course.
I'm happy. Bruno about getting married.
I thank God.
Ah,
Finally.
Finally!
Hey.
Mama, I hope the girl is a good girl. You know, beauty is not everything.
Anyway, you are right. Yes.
Where's the bangwa?
She's a very good girl. And from a good home.
Hey.
Yeah. He's about to do everything immediately. Both the traditional and the white wedding. I'm telling you. Of the Ossis, huh?
I'm telling you.
I'm happy.
Chineke kene dereke.
Kene diri chukwu. Onye ka mbuzi.
Mama de mama. Go chebe kwa egwu iga agbada de o. Chebe kwa.
Adi me echekwa, adi me echekwa. Isibo ochichekwa.
I'm happy. He's after his own. Then I'll now plan for my own. You know, I was actually waiting for him to marry before me to avoid disrespect. You understand?
Wait, you mean it? So I'm going to have 2 daughter-in-laws.
Mama, I am coming to surprise you.
But you've not told me anything.
Just wait. At our speed. It's a surprise, huh? Just wait.
I can't wait, Hey! Thank God.
Bruno. Mama, and hope Ifoma, hope you guys did proper inquiry about the girl to avoid marrying from an Osu family.
Osukwa? Is such thing still in existence? No one can. Owakita? No, no, brother, you don't have to say that.
What do you mean? Do you know the meaning of Osu?
Yes, I know. I know.
Oh, well, anyway, Mama, I'm hungry. Please, is there food at home?
Your father has made necessary inquiries, so don't worry about that.
The guy is even from this village.
Is Yoku?
Mm-hmm.
Good! At least I'm happy. I'm happy, finally. Finally. Mama, is there food at home? I'm very hungry, please.
Mama, no problem. Let me go and warm the soup and do it.
Make it thick.
We can. I know. That's what they're talking about.
You the party, I told me for him that they will fail because. Hurry, please, hurry.
Hey! You've never changed, Zimaka.
Baba.
You like
Mama, that man is the real man. Look, everything that I've said in my prayers is what God gave me. Mama, this guy is rich. He just returned from abroad. And he said he wants to do everything, both the bride price and traditional marriage, immediately.
Hey! Now you are talking, my daughter. Now you have come. This is what I have been praying for. So I've already gotten my dream in-law. Somebody that will take care of us. Hey, Nemo, thank God. God, I thank you.
After him, I'm taking him to go and see my uncle because he needs the list. Bride price, trad. I don't know what they're going to give to him, but he said he needs the list. So I need to take him to see him now.
So fast? Hi!
No, there's no time.
God is about to lift us up.
You are already lifted by God.
Amen. Amen. Hey, before I forget,
what is
the other one was here 3 days ago. What is that his name? Zimako. He was here. He said he wanted that he has been calling your line. You are not picking his calls. He wanted to know whether you are here.
Mama, please, anytime he visits, tell him that your daughter cannot marry him. Mama, I can't deal with that boy. He's too stingy. Do you know that his brother has opened a current account for me with 2 million naira? Mama, 2M. Who is he? Mama, because I'm done with that boy.
Did you say his brother? Are they brothers?
They are blood brothers.
Hey, how are you going to cope with this? How are you going to handle this? 2 brothers.
Don't worry. Bruno knows everything. And he said he's going to sort his brother out when the time comes. He knows how to handle him. It's not a big deal.
2 brothers dragging him.
Mama, don't worry. He can handle it.
Anyway, the most important thing to me is who will take good care of you and take good care of me. Do you know that he even came with all bread? He came with all bread to give me, as if I told him that I'm going to open a bread factory. It's so bad. Let's go inside.
Please, don't tell anyone yet, okay?
It's okay. It's so bad.
Dan, do you know that up till now, her phone is still switched off? I don't know where to find her. This whole thing is affecting my brain. I don't know what to do. I don't know.
Is she seen any other man?
Why will you say that to my Betty? But why will you say that to my Betty? Are you mad? Betty is the most faithful girl I've ever seen. She's not seen another person apart from me. Huh? You mean my woman is cheating on me or something?
Listen, this is not time for all this argument. You should not start up argument. All you have to do is just go to the police station and make an entry. You just report this case to the police.
All I tell the police. And now, the mother has been insinuating that I know her daughter's whereabouts. What do I do? What do I do?
Listen, you are like a brother to me. I will still tell you the truth. Let's go to the police station. And you can make an entry. And everything will be fine. Forget about what the mother have said. You should just forget about the mother.
Why will Betty just disappear like that? Why will she just disappear? I don't know where to find her. I don't know why is Betty treating me like this. Just imagine my elder brother Bruno has just presented his wife to our parents. Now it's my turn to present immediately after my brother's wedding. What am I going to do?
Papa, please, I need you to escort me to my wife's place now. Yes, we need to pay her bride price as fast as possible. Please, just escort me.
My son, what are you trying to say?
My message is simple. I've seen the person I want to marry. So escort me, let's go and see her people so we can pay her bride price. Simple.
Why so sudden?
I don't understand.
Were you not the ones pressurizing me to get married? That age is against my side. That you want to see your grandchild. Now I've seen the person I want to marry. Escort me, let's go and pay her bride price. You people are here interrogating me as if I'm in a court of law.
How do I get some of the Umunas to accompany, at least to accompany us?
Papa, we don't need Umuna. This is just bride price, not traditional marriage. Both of us, we are enough. Okay, Mama can join us. Let's just see her people, pay her bride price, and come back.
This is just to go and pay the bride price, not traditional marriage. So you and him can go.
I don't like crowd. Let's just do it on a low key. Papa said, just put red cap and bring one walking stick. Let's go, sir. Please.
But is your brother what?
Must I tell everybody? It's just bride price. My brother will know later when we are ready for trad.
Okay.
Nke emela ọ ga-eme ngwa ngwa eme arụ ọdachi.
No, this is
Ọ ka hụ maka eme ngwa ngwa eme arụ ọdachi. Papa iwe okpu ọkụ iti n'isi.
Yes.
If I don't get married now, nobody should mention marriage again. Only if I now change your mind or the here forever. If I don't marry this moment now, them now, I see the hot now. Forget about it. I will not marry again for the rest of my life.
Amalecham. Elebelebe jalo.
Akwan.
Olubajie.
Akwan nwa.
Osetigo.
Nwa mara so mma. Oh! You know, I told her father when he was alive that this girl will bring wonderful to this family. Is it not happening? Hey! Betty one. As you can see what is happening there. Bundles of money. What of drinks? All for us because of you. Yeah? Now, this is a very young and handsome girl. He kept. I don't know why he is here, definitely, but you will have to prove to us why he is here. So we will have to give you a drink. Show us exactly if we'll continue with it or we'll tell him to go. Do you understand that? I'll come. Hey! I'll get it. Go. tell us, show us that man you really want to stay with him all through your life. Before we do something. I said it.
I dey come. Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
I'm fine. I beg, Oga no dey.
Don't worry, I'll wait for him.
Wait, I beg, no vex. Oga give me instruction. He say make I no allow anybody enter this compound, including you. I beg, you go.
Such instruction is not for me.
I beg.
You get that?
Be chairman, I beg.
Wait. Are you really blocking me?
Not me, they block you. Now the law, now the instruction where they give me, now they block you.
And so, in my own blood brother's house?
Your blood brother say make you no enter.
Ah.
Hey!
How can you block me?
I don't want.
Like you don't want me to go inside?
You can go
inside. Bro, imagine in my own blood brother's house. He's lucky I did not kill him. Nonsense.
You would have not fought him in the first place. He was only acting under instruction.
I don't understand. Acting under instruction? My brother cannot ask him not to allow me enter his house, even in his absence. What do I possible?
I hope you did not wound that boy. I hope you did not wound him, because I know the way you behave.
I taught him a big lesson that he will never forget in Chiefy. Yes. Idiot.
That is very well. So have you heard from Betty?
I've been calling, I keep calling. Her phone is switched off. I've decided to take your advice to go and make entry in the police station. And that's why I'm here, for you to accompany me to the police station.
That won't be possible today. Listen, I'm hosting some few people in my house. And in the next 30 minutes, I believe they will be here. If I decide to leave this compound, then they will come looking for me. They won't see me. So maybe we do this some other time.
Yeah, bro, this thing is giving me sleepless nights. I won't lie to you. I'm not comfortable. I hope nothing will happen to this girl.
Nothing is going to happen to her. You just have to calm down. Don't worry. Tomorrow you will make entry in the police station. And I believe as soon you make the entry, then the police will track her whereabouts. You just have to calm down and stop all this your gra-gra. Because you will kill someone.
I pray so. I don't know, I'm tired. Oh, God.
Calm down.
Rose, open the door now. Are we going to discuss this matter outside where people watch us, look at us? Open this place for us so that we can go in and sit down and talk gently.
Talk about what? Discuss what? About money you do not know about. Hey, it's not going to happen. Or if you agree to my terms, then I will go inside and bring it. But if not, here we stay. Hey, we stand here.
Rose, a woman does not and will not be in charge of bride price paid on her daughter's head. You can never change it. There's no way you can change it. This is the custom. It's our culture. I am the only man standing in this family. As a matter of fact, I stood for her as a father. So this money belongs to me, not you. Go and bring that money.
Bana Barago. Ikenga is saying the truth. He's saying the truth. Go and bring the money and give to him. Hand the money over to him. Will I go and hear? Okwesirogi. Obu omena. Will I go and hear Ikenga? Look on who is this one? Who is in this body? Oh, so if other elders talk, you will open this opening in on your face and talk. Talk to Rosa. Hey, Rosa, eh? What are you saying? That I should give him 400,000? Whoever pays such amount for a bride price, who does that? See, this money will be shared into 2. In fact, no. It will be shared into 3. I will collect 2. You will take 1. I was the one that raised my daughter. I know the pains I passed through. Nobody helped me. Where were you when I was raising my daughter? Where were you? Did you do anything? Did you contribute? What do
you mean?
Rose, you are trading on a very dangerous area. Hey, who is afraid of trading on a dangerous area? It's bad for you. By tradition, no matter the amount of money involved, big or small, the father of the house is the person that it belongs to. Which nonsense tradition are you talking about? Which nonsense tradition? Zamia? Where was tradition when I was training my daughter? Where was he when I was training my daughter? You people were inside at the backyard. You did not do anything. Now it has come to money. To take this money. It's either he agrees, accepts to take the one I will give him. If not, nothing for him. Nothing for him. Yes, Obrolabaja. Cha-cha! Ikenga, I can't stay here and take this nonsense. Get out! I'm going out of this place. Go, John! I can't stay here. No apology. Go! Who wants you? If rock order, that be go. Oh no, do you want to join him and go?
What you're doing is abominable. What you're into now, you may not come out of it easily. Do you understand what custom is? When this will come back to you, I will not be there. Go and bring this money. This money belongs to me. I am the father of the house.
Ikenga, whatever name you call me, I will answer. Wherever you call me, I will come and defend myself. I'm not afraid of anything. Cha-cha-cha-cha. So where were you all this while? You are too greedy. I have seen it that you don't want to take this money. And I will be happy for it. If you are ready, I will go inside and bring it like I said before and give to you. But if not, anything. So me chora. No apology.
I can understand where you're coming from. It's because the money is very big.
Yes!
Is it my fault that our in-law brought big money? Is it my fault?
It's because of me that he brought the money. And because of my daughter. You didn't contribute anything. So all of them. Accept. It will be given to you. If you don't accept,
go and bring that money out.
I
am telling you.
I have seen that you are not ready to take this money.
Go and bring that money out.
Thank God I have even locked my door. Whenever you are ready, rant and rant and rant. When you are ready, you can leave here. Don't disturb my peace.
Ajonwine.
I have other things.
Ajonwine, wicked woman.
No apology.
No, Wanya. This woman is very wicked. Very wicked woman. But Rosa, let me tell you something. You see that money? Definitely, I am coming back. I am coming back to collect that money in the hole. That's if I like, I can give you anything. But if I don't like, it's your business. Wait for me. I am coming.
Who did this to you?
Sir, he's your brother, sir.
My brother did this to you.
Yes, sir. I told him you said I should not allow anybody to this compound, and he started beating me.
You didn't tell him what I said?
Yes, sir.
Biawokem, don't good even me. Why did you beat my gate man? Starting when?
Bro, just imagine. Just imagine. That useless gate man stopped me from entering your house. As in what? Is he mad or something? My own blood brother's house?
Well, he told you I said no one should step into this compound without my approval. True or false?
Yeah, he did, but I...
But how about what God no? Butterment. It's an order. Who are you to disobey my instructions? This is my house. I choose who comes and who leaves. It's an order. Before anybody steps into this compound, I must approve it. Let this nonsense not repeat itself again. Let this nonsense not repeat itself again. Kamalo Nunidi, Isaja Pala. This is my house. It's an order. If you're not comfortable, my friend, get lost. Go to that chemist across. Tell them to treat you. Send the bill and the account number. Transfer the money to them.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Everybody is beating you. When you're a tiegi, women will come, they will beat you. Man will come, baby will come. Everybody is beating you. So why are you eating 3 times a day? Okay, there, boy, tiegi. Why you go tiegi?
Sorry, sir.
I will change you. Sorry, bogi there. You cannot fight anything. For so you eat 3 times a day.
I can't be always blame me. Like, they don't use juju, they do this work. In the day when I travel go village, I go carry out to Bobo come. Oh.
Is everything okay?
I don't understand. He was mad at me. Wait. So, it was Bruno that ordered his kids man not to. Oh, I see. I see.
You know, that might not be what he meant. I believe he's just angry because you should have respected his instruction.
I don't understand. Like, am I now a stranger in my own blood brother's house?
You are misunderstanding everything. Didn't I warn you?
Bro, no matter what, my brother is not supposed to be mad at me. This issue is not enough reason for him to be mad at me. Onto what?
If I were you, I would go and apologize and sort out all these issues, and everything will be fine.
Now let me ask you, on whose side are you?
On the side of truth. If I were you, I would go and apologize to him. I will apologize to him and everything will be fine. It's not all this. This argument is not going to sort out anything.
Anyway, let me not be distracted from my own problem. I just wish I can close my 2 eyes like this and see my beautiful Betty sitting beside me. Oh, Betty, I miss you.
I'm still wondering why Bruno did not tell his brother about going to pay Betty's a bride price.
He said he must not tell everybody. You were there when he said it.
Mama is right. Zimako was supposed to go with you people.
Well, Bruno should sort that out. Besides, he must have told his brother by now.
Papa, will you be happy if you were Zimako?
It depends on the reason given to me.
But the reason was not enough. For Christ's sake, Zimako is the only brother that he has. You're supposed to tell him, I know my children. If you later find out, he's going to be angry. And you know it.
He never told us not to tell anybody. He never did.
Mama, please, call Zimako. Call him.
I should call Zimako. I shouldn't be the one to do that, but your father.
Well, Bruno is in the best position to do that. What reason will I give Zimako when I call him? Eh? Let them sort it out. They are brothers after all.
Mama, Biko, you have to call him. Call him yourself. We should not keep him in dark. He's part of this family. Please, call him. You should call him. Yes. Okay. I will do that tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Hey! I bless this day. Thank you, the God of our town. Our Joma. You were able to sit down here. Eke. Uria. Afọ. Nkwọ.
Up till now, Ruth has not sent for me to come and collect the bride price. That woman is greedy. She is ready to take all that money if I keep quiet. Is it not better I collect the one she said she will offer me? You don't know what this woman can do.
I'm ready to go to the market. Give me the money.
Oloma, as you can see, I don't have money this morning. Let me go to Rose and see what I can get from her.
Did I not tell you to go and see Rose and collect whatever she offers you? 400,000 naira is too much for a bride price. Look at it, you are wasting my time. Oh. Ha!
Oh, it's okay, let me go to her now. Let me go to her now. I will come back in the jiffy. Let me go.
Pray she will not change her mind. Because you would have collected the one she offered to you since yesterday. Eh? But you refuse. Listen to that your friend, Iloka.
Let me just...
Iloka that you know that would have done the same thing if it were to be that man. That's why you rejected that money now.
Let me go, I'm coming.
What is all this? I want to go to the market now. You don't have money. I'm waiting for you.
Mama, what's happening here now? I thought you must have gone to the market. I'm hungry.
If you're hungry, blame your father. Blame your father, who refused to collect the sum of 200,000 naira that was offered to him yesterday. Simply because he was listening to Iloka. Eh? Look at it now. I asked him to give him money. I want to go to the market. He said he doesn't have money.
Why is Papa misbehaving? Okay. Papa allows a woman to trample on his dignity. Because I was not around yesterday. A woman sees his rights.
Eh? See, I will blame your father. As it stands now, hey, he would have collected the one that he wants to give him. Why are you rejecting it? Even if it's 100,000 naira, he would have collected it.
Mama, Mama, see.
He allowed that man, Iloka, to deceive him. See, I am not happy with your father. Eh?
Mama,
he's the one I'm blaming.
Mama, listen to me. Whether small or big, bride price is bride price. My issue is, why would Papa allow that woman to just... no, now. No! I won't allow this slide. No!
I
must get that money from that woman. No!
Must. I want to read this. Mama Betty. My wife. Rosamo, my wife. I hope you slept well last night.
I thank God I did.
Hey, you're looking too beautiful. Hey, I came now. I came for that money. That money of
Which
yesterday.
money?
The bride price now. The one they paid yesterday.
Oh, is that the reason you are coming by this time? The man check and chief saw for my cabia.
They say delay is dangerous now.
Ah, that's so bad, right? Let me bring your share. I kept it for you.
Your wife.
Your money, your own share is there. Let me bring it for you.
My beautiful wife can bring it. Bring it in there. I'm sure to that. 137. About 137,000 something.
Hey. This is your share. Money. 50,000 naira.
50,000. Is it what you want to give to me? 50,000 out of 400,000.
Are you taking it or should I take it inside?
But you promised me you're going to share this money into 3 parts. Why is it 50,000?
Will you take it or do I keep it inside till when you are ready? That's if you will be ready.
It is not the agreement in Arosa. It is not the agreement. You should be giving me about 8,000 to complement it. This is just more now.
Mazikenga, you are a very greedy man. If not for one thing, I would have called you Onyoshi. Have you ever paid for my daughter's school fees? Did you ever pay for her school fees? Did you ever give me 1 naira for our upkeep? Have you contributed into our lives ever since your brother died? Now it has reached to bride price. Now I calculate how much I will give you. If you are not ready to take this money and walk away from my house, change your at this moment. Give me if you don't want to take it.
Rosa, are you like pushing me out of my brother's house?
I am not pushing you, but I'm asking you to go. Greedy man, go!
Hey, Rosa, but this is not good. It's not good. You remember what you told me? You promised me that you're going to share this money into 3 parts.
Then why didn't you take it the time I told you that? Why did you refuse to take it then? You said it earlier that delay is dangerous. Something has happened. So this is your share now. And if you're not ready to take it, let me take my money.
Remember, Rosa, there will be tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Remember, there will be tomorrow. We have traditional marriage ahead. And you're going to need me. Yes. You will call me.
Oh, Subirila. Mazikenga. If I call you and you refuse to answer me, have you forgotten that money, wadada, answers everything? If you have money, you have power, you have mouth, you can do anything. If I call you and you refuse to answer me, I will conveniently go out there, hire one elder, give that person money. The person will be very, very happy to represent you. And I will name that person Wazico. The person will sit in my compound here and represent you well.
Oh, no, I can understand where this woman is coming from.
You are taking the money.
Let me put it here so it can be said. So, you are now secretly telling me that you killed my brother. Yes!
Mazikenga, you are the one that killed your brother. Yes! Look at your eyes, how it's shining. Konyoshi. And that is why you want to reap where you did not sow.
Hey!
It's surely baby collect my money. Nearly 50,000, you are not happy. You cannot even thank me for giving it to you when you did not contribute in our lives. You know what? Talk again.
So you
will see that I will call the whole villagers for you and tell them how you killed my husband.
And hire a man. He will come and stand as the father of my own daughter.
Yes! Hey. If you refuse to answer me.
You are the one that killed my brother.
You are the one that killed
You see you? Don't mind.
Oh yeah, give me the money. Give me that money. Useless man. Look at him, hopeless and foolish. You want to reap where you did not sow. I even gave you 50,000 naira. Had it been I know, I would have just met a plug and not 10,000 naira. You give 50,000, you are not even happy. Why didn't I even give him 10,000? It's your luck. It's your luck. If you will not answer me, and I how you going to go? I go answer everything.
I don't go open now. I don't go open this gate. If you like, lock from now till tomorrow. I don't go open now. Make I play stubborn ball first. Make I do stubborn ball. First time. Go not tire.
Thank you so much, babe. Thank you. For real. Honey, you have no idea how happy you've made my mother. That woman has been through hell. Sugar, ever since the death of my father, my mother has known no peace. My uncles, they actually wanted to take everything away from my mother, but that woman fought like a lion. She retained all my father's properties, just alone, with no help. Honey, thank you. Thank you so much.
Anything for the love of my life to be happy.
As far as I am never taking this for granted, I will forever be grateful to you.
Don't worry. By the time I'm done with those women, they will be left with no option than to bow at the feet of your mother.
I can't wait for a day like that to come. I love you.
Love you, my baby.
Cheers.
Good afternoon, sir.
Who is at the gate?
Sir, now your brother. Make I open gate for him.
My younger brother.
Yes, sir.
Let him in.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Did my brother instructed you to keep me outside again?
Sorry, sir. I beg, no verse.
That sorry kill you there.
Amen.
Do you know you're very wicked?
Yes, sir.
You want to cause problem between me and my brother, but it will not work for you. I will sack you the same way I employed you.
Let me see my brother first. Stop. Oh, let me see him first. I think you will sack me.
Jesus, you no go sack me. Ọba tó fi okwe. Ọba tó bolumaya. Ibata na compound na iye di chadi o. Hey. Ọba ta o le ru o ma ka o. Hey. You see that money? That woman will bring everything. Wish you to deny your rights. Like I don't understand.
Obinna, nobody is seizing my right. You have forgotten who that woman is. Rosa is very stingy and very stingy. So she is not owing me any money. Leave Rosa alone.
Papa, you dey fuck up. Why would you allow a woman trample on your dignity? No, now, it's not done. Just a male woman. You're right. No. But it's not possible. You are the cause of the problem. Yes, you are the cause. The woman take us yours.
You are talking like a child, you are. Rosa is very greedy. When it comes to money, Rosa can do anything. I cannot easily forget what Rosa did to me during her husband's burial. She collected every penny that was generated on that burial without giving me one kobo. Is it the woman you want to play with?
Papa, I don't care your history with Rosa. It's none of my business. But Uncle Loka was with you now. Two able men. You can't stand your ground. Kwechili, how will a woman just come and use you like a rag? Two able men, for that matter. No, now.
We are talking of bride price here. Kwechi as in you go and collect the price from the woman.
Papa, it's your right. It's your right as a man. It's your right.
Okay. What do you expect me to do? I should have fought her, beat her, and collect the money from her.
Papa, listen. I don't care whoever she is. You see that money? I will take it from her. And that's fine now. I will take the balance of 350,000 naira from that woman. Get me.
Come, I don't understand what you're talking about. What is this boy turning into?
From that money you have, please, can you give me 5,000 naira? There are some things I want to use the money for. See what will happen here. When I take the balance 350,000 naira from her, I will give you back the 5,000.
Which balance are you talking about? Did I tell you that Rose is owing me? Or that I'm owing, or that we have any business together? What balance are you talking about? I did not send you to Rose. Be very careful.
Papa, so because of 5,000 naira, you are raising your voice for me. Just 5,000 naira. Just 5,000 naira that you can afford. You are telling me about Rose and...
Obinna, be very careful. Be very careful and don't mess yourself up.
Papa, listen to me. You see that money? I must collect every dime from that woman. That 350,000, I will take it complete from that woman. And it's a much. You go see score. No worry.
Obinna, don't go to Rosa's house. Rosa is not owing you. She's not owing me. Do you not go to her house, oh? Hey! Take away the one more here.
Where is your manners? How do you barge in on us like that? What's your problem?
Okay, sorry, no be my fault. Now one lady wait there outside. Come they make noise. I told her say make you wait for me, make I come see you first.
Is that enough reason to barge in on us?
No verse. What did they do you now? Shall I tell you make you wait for me outside? Eh?
No, so this is true. You're really back.
What is going on here?
What do you mean by what is going on here? Bruno, you're heartless. You're very wicked. So you came back to this country, you did not care to inform me. After all I did for you. You went to Europe, you blocked me. As if that was not enough. You came back, you know, say me, you just put me for call.
As my mama, I'll be waiting. Guy, sir, this baby's talking trash. Can't you see? Escort her out now.
Madam.
If you touch me, you there for bad hand though. I go woz you slap. I come here for you.
Yeah, Madam Trash. But
I follow you talk.
Respect yourself.
You see the insult way they cost me, Bruno. You say may your thing, may your get my, may you bounce me out from your ass.
Young woman, my husband said you should leave. I will advise you get out, please.
Who be this one? Ochakomaka, I dey follow you talk. I no come for you. When I come for you, go no. But for now, back him. Bruno, waiting the soap.